Medellin MEEZ. El Probado Poppy, you heard? Yeah. We back at it with another one. I'm on my way to motherfucking Medellin, Colombia. I'm doing the check 1 2 1 2 on the camera, making sure my battery's charged, making sure everything is the right memory card. And the homies is on the way. Tragic's on the way. He flying in. We meeting Rels and them at the airport. And yeah, I'm over here doing my motherfucking Thug Thizzle. Shout out to all the homies subscribing to the MEEZ Travels. My channel has got 5,426 views in the last 28 days. Bing bong. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so next time you see me, I'll be on the land. Let's get it. Ah!
No,
Yeah!
no mas, bro.
Yeah! We're really sad to be here. Oh yeah, welcome to the B&B. This is my 1-bedroom joint. All the homies got 1 bedrooms. We mobbing through the best fucking B&B in Medellin, which is the Energy Living building. Shower crazy with the bench in there. Stop playing. Little cozy joint, but this is what I really got it for. I got the wraparound. The wraparound balcony. Real crazy. I'm on the 17th floor. Look at this shit. Hit the corner. Wow. Yeah, man. I usually get the balcony with the jacuzzi, but I went with the hammock this time, so I could, you know. My dog coming up with the trees right now. Let's see, yo. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, close the door. You live in a bar, nigga? Oh, shit, respect my crib. Yeah, we got the duty free. Oh, yeah, this me right here. Put this joint away. You brought the smoke?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We got some smoke. You know we don't go nowhere without that ganja. I try to tell niggas in Costa Rica, we don't go nowhere without that ganja.
You know what I'm saying? Just bring it with you.
You know, some places you can. Do your research. Jump on Reddit. Talk to me. Hit me in the comments. I'll tell you what places. Subscribe to my Patreon. And I'm going to show you all the wavy tricks, trades. I'm dropping gems. When I drop them, pick them up. All right, let me try this again. I put the filter on it so it's not as bright out here. Look at this shit, dog. Come on, dog. Yeah, man. I feel like I'm back in my second home. And I ain't even Colombian, homie. I got my dogs spread out all through these different floors out here. We mobbing, we about 7 deep. Wow. We headed towards the entrance of Comuna 13. My second time out here, shit looking crazy. We gonna do a little walk through, a little talk through. Show you what it's like. It's mad shit. Gotta walk up like 2 serious ass hills before you even get into there.
Una solita.
Una.
Y usted, mi amor.
Separado.
So look, pretty much, bro, you gotta walk up like 2 of these hills, and then it comes to escalators, and then you get into the thing. But there's mad stores and shops and shit along the way.
That doesn't make you.
You got it. Good. Listen, the first time I came here 3 years ago, I did this hill, and you gotta go through 2 of these before you get to the escalators. This shit real. Take a moment. It's real out there, bro. Sweating like a dog. Niggas on mushrooms, climbing fucking steep ass hills. And I already knew because I've been here before. We're gonna keep it moving. People travel, but don't travel like MEEZ travels. You wanna come to Comuna 13 to see the views? You gotta be ready. That's why all the Colombian chicks look good as hell, because their legs is nice, because they gotta walk this shit. Oh, take the escalator right there. Yeah, but see, they got the picture spot right there, though. They got the dancers over there going crazy. Still going up. Thank God for these escalators. The journey continues. I'm looking for a safe spot to smoke a joint. Watch your back.
Ain't that what I just said?
We out here, random steps. Comuna 13 is a fucking beautiful, magical place. It got its own fucking vibe, man. Jits is playing soccer down there. We way up. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, me, I'm a hood baby. I'm in the favela.
Over the car? Yeah? Shuffle.
Shuffle.
Se iba yo María.
Like that was like,
No, que ya fue. No, me dijo que lo hiciera yo.
yeah, no, that's funny. That's funny that it sounded like.
Yo estoy pensando que hiciera lo que entonces ya venía para acá. Bro, your car? Your hand. Your car.
What? How we do, nigga? For the young niggas in the hood. East side, go around to the world. You travel, you don't travel like MEEZ travels. We done got too far ahead of the pack. We gotta find them. Rel's taking a bogey break. Look, I'm with the cigarette smokers today. I'm with the cigarette. They try to get away. These are the cigarette smokers. Chill, health is wealth. Waiting for the rest of the homies to catch up. Is the escalator go down? Thank God for these escalators, you heard? Without these shits, we'll be dying out here. 551 to the world. Big golden rod, you heard? Big golden rod shit. You know me, man. Like to touch down. People travel. They don't travel like MEEZ travels. So as we leave Comuna 13, shit was a dope experience. Took the homies up here. See what's going on. We walking down to the bottom now. It's like a 50-minute drive back to the spot. About to go to the soccer game, Nacional. You know what time it is? MEEZ Travels.